I have been handing off this camera to the kids all day long. I have no idea what this video is going to do or have in it. I will edit it, but it's going to be interesting because this is going to be a day in the life of refitting this boat according to the kids and the way they see it. Abigail and Liberty and Katie had the camera today, so we will see.
Hi! So I'm down below with everybody upstairs so you can hear me better because up there it's super windy and noisy and my mom's letting me do this video. So she's standing next to some missionaries. The missionaries came today to help us, so you might be seeing them. Okay, let's go up. Peek it out here. Everybody's standing right now. His mom. And yeah. There's Katie and things. I can't see. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there's Abigail. Down there. Stop! Hey! Okay, so here's the boat. So right here is all of our stuff. Most of it, at least. Okay, here's the thingamajigger. I don't know what it is, but yeah. And if you go on here, here's a fire hydrant. Not the fire hydrant, whatever it is. Right there. Here's the kitchen. There's donuts. Okay, here's our thing right here. Okay, here's a lot of our stuff. There's even more here, okay. This thing looks really sparkly, I don't know. But it is really, really sparkly, trust me. It looks really, really pink on camera. It's mine. There's some of our things that we still need to do. That's all the things we have done. This is our list about what kids can do. I'll take a look at that with you. There's a little bit of things that I wanted to talk about my life. So let's get started. I don't know what. So apparently I have to get Mom, I think this screwdriver. I don't know, it's tiny. Abigail says. This one? Okay, here. So yeah, it's beautiful outside. But it's really loud outside, so you can't really hear me very good. Okay, I was gonna start this video just to talk about my life, but my birthday's on May 14th. So if you didn't know that, just comment down below. for me. I'm just kidding. Comment down below for Mom. That's not supposed to be in the video. I don't know why I did it. I'm just weird. You guys, I'm starving right now. I'm so hungry. I already ate my donuts. So I don't know how I'm gonna eat. My mom is upstairs sanding. I'm not sure I'm allowed to have another donut. So yeah. So work in progress. Why would you say it's a work in progress if you don't even know how to do it? Bye. Like she said. Well, what should you give us a big thumbs up? Okay, everybody, let's go up the stairs to see what's.
Don't start till I walk in. Oh, you're recording.
Sing that song one more time.
No.
Let's
I'm gonna go eat my donut.
Well, see, I don't think you have a donut anymore. The missionaries ate them.
No.
The missionaries ate my cinnamon roll, but it's okay.
Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Bye. Ah! Hi, I'm Katie.
Hi, I'm Liberty.
Well, you remember me from the last few videos.
Hi, my name's Summer.
Excuse me, I burped. Okay, serious question. Would you rather live in an RV or live in a boat?
RV.
Sorry, Mom, but I'd rather live in an RV. But boats are so fun, right?
Kind of.
Scary. But we're gonna do some fun things though. Like, what are you looking forward to?
Seeing coral and seeing rainbow fish. That would be nice.
And jumping in the ocean from the boat.
Yeah.
Oh no. And seeing dolphins.
Yeah.
All right. Now, would you rather live in an RV or a boat?
Comment down below.
Well, you guys are smart. I didn't even tell you to say that. All right. Bye, guys.
Okay, it's been a crazy busy day and we got a lot done. We have had questions about having the kids help on the refit, and also comments about why we do some of the things that we do. Like, we're working on peeling and sanding the teak, the tow rail, the combing around the cockpit, those kinds of things. And you think, oh, those aren't really important, those could be done later. But one of the challenges when you've got family, kids, or volunteers coming to help you on the boat is you have to find things that they can do. Sorry, I've got goop in my face. Sanding and oiling doesn't take a lot of technical proficiency, unlike working on the plumbing or fixing the generator. And the tight quarters down below make it difficult to have more than one or two people actually even doing that kind of stuff. So if you're wondering, if you're one of the people who are wondering, why are we bothering with some of the minutia, the little things, the things that we could do once we get out on the water, it's because we need something for the kids to do. And this makes a difference, and it makes our boat pretty, and it can make them feel proud to have been part of refitting this boat. So we are headed to a movie for tonight to take a little bit of a breather and enjoy ourselves.
Hey babe, I don't know how, but at this moment in life, we're alone.
I think we're alone now.
I think we're alone now.
Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. And don't give us a thumbs down. Bye. See you tomorrow.